Welcome to the new episode of Exposure Science Film Hackathon vlog. And today, as we care about both science communication and filmmaking, we'll look at the most powerful tool that us science communicators can borrow and must borrow from filmmakers. This is story, or more precisely, story structure. Story structure is how the pieces of a story are put together to convey the message and to keep the audience listening to you or looking at your video in our case. It's like if you want to build a house and you have the best bricks for that, but still you cannot put them randomly, otherwise I'm not sure you would like to stay inside the house in the end. My favorite example of the use of story structure in science communication is a video clip by BBC Planet Earth Second where an iguana is chased by snakes. It's really popular, so you probably already know that. So you can pause this video, play this one, which should be here, and then you can come back and I will explain you why I love this video. Spoilers in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. This is it. Pity, fear, catharsis. So those three moments in the video that you just watched are pretty well defined. We have pity. It's where you get to know about the protagonist, about the other characters. In this particular case is where we get to know that we are on a remote island and that there are iguanas and snakes, and that we are pretty sure that they're gonna face each other. At some point something happened, and that is fear happens. The iguana is haunted by the snake. Because in the first part we related to the iguana, we wanted to escape the snake. At some point we reached that brutal moment where the snakes are all around the iguana. And honestly, I don't know about you, but the first time I saw the video I was pretty sure the iguana was going to die. But actually it managed to escape somehow. Then that's where the third part starts, that is catharsis. And catharsis is when the conflict that was established in the second part is solved. So we have the iguana that managed to escape the snakes and goes back to its friends. The reason why I love this video is because it teaches us something about the wildlife in a remote island, in the Galapagos Islands, but by entertaining us. And that's possible only because of the story structure. So if you have some scientific facts and you manage to structure the story in these 3 acts, the viewer is more likely to follow you and to stay with you throughout the video. You are the one who's telling the story, you are the one who's delivering the information, so you are the one who needs to do the work, not the viewer. That's fair, right? One thing that I like and that I'm pretty sure about is that that is not the whole true story. What you saw is not one unique take of one unique event. It's several takes, and that's what you need to build a story. You could complain that they're lying to you, or you could be happy that they are entertaining you and delivering the piece of information with these little tricks. I find it amazing how by taking different takes you can deliver a correct information. So that's it for today. I hope it's clear how important the story structure is for science communication, and on top of that I have a challenge for the scientists that are watching right now, and that is next time that you're preparing lectures or slides for conferences, think in terms of this 3-act structure and see if this can help you make the message clearer to your audience. So see you in the next episode, and don't forget, say film it.